Hey there friends, ETPC here with another unboxing. Today we're checking out the LG G7 Thinq or Thinq for however that is pronounced. It's a 64 gigabyte. Alright, let's open this thing up here. It's time for a new phone. The old Walmart one finally died. So we have a nice little box lid there, nothing in there. Okay. On top we have this nice little well, it's a screen wiper, screen cleaner there, which doubles as a little protective cover there, I guess. Okay, and the phone is right here on top. Alright, so this is it. It says a super bright display, AI cam, boombox speaker, and Google Assistant key. So there it is there. This is it's got the bluish kind of background there. So that's what that looks like. Kind of a sleek looking phone. This is kind of one of the newer LG ones. Okay. Maybe let's check out what else we got here. So in here, LG is committed to giving you peace of mind, so a nice little satisfaction card with their promises on there. Here we have, in here, getting started. Let's get started. So I'm doing this through the Google Fi network, which I highly recommend. What I pay, one phone is $20 a month, unlimited talk and text, and then if you want, I don't use a lot of data, but if you do, it maxes out at $60 a month, but it's $10 for each gigabyte of memory, and then you can't pay. It'll go unlimited after you top out at $60. You don't have to pay anymore. So I hardly ever use any data roaming, so I pay about $20 a month, so it's pretty hard to beat that. So there's that with the Google Fi. Alright, the rest of the stuff in the box here, we have a charger. This is a USB-C, and I was like looking for the port on this, the charger plug-in, so that's in the side here for the USB part. Okay. Next we have, let's see, that's about it for the box. Wonder what's in here. Another little box which contains, what is that? Okay, that looks like, an ear. Those little earbud parts. There's one. I don't know. Okay, I wonder why there's one in a bag by itself. That's kind of interesting. What else do we have here? It appears to be, yes. Huh, that's weird that there's only one there in the bag. But anyways, but then it comes with another set of headphones or earbuds, whatever you call these things now. And that's kind of nice little bonus. So that's what's in the box. I'll be setting this thing up, and I might I have a Google Pixel XL too with this. This is 64 gigabytes. I think I mentioned that before, but mainly got this for, it's supposed to have, I think, a 16 megapixel camera. It's supposed to be quite a decent camera on there. These cameras have pretty much replaced the phone, like normal cameras, as far as carrying around a bulky like Nikon or something, I think. So these take decent pictures and whatnot. So thanks for watching this unboxing on the LG G7 Thinq or Thinq 64 gigabyte phone, and we'll be probably doing another video on it later, a review of it. So thanks for watching, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.